Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel Fold. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. At the beginning, let's go to Settings and now enter Security and Privacy. Go to Device Lock, Screen Lock, unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security passwords, which is non and swipe. And now use it to unlock the phone. Next, let's select password, and to create it, enter at least 4 characters. Again, use it to unlock the phone. And now let's select PIN number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. Use it to unlock the phone, and in the end, let's select pattern. To create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to Face and Fingerprint Unlock. Firstly, select Face Unlock. Tap More, Agree. And now scan your face via front camera. Now when it's done, we can use our face to unlock the phone. In the end, let's select Fingerprint Unlock. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor, which is located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.